This is Scrapbook.com, and we're at the Reminisce booth looking at a beautiful new line called In Loving Memory, which is about just that, remembering our loved ones who have passed away. So whether it's a parent, a friend, a pet even, just whoever we love and miss, this line is for that. So this is the In Loving Memory kit, where you get 8 12x12 papers, 2 sheets per design, and a coordinating sticker sheet if you just want it all, or you can get everything separately. So we're gonna look at the sticker sheet real quick. The sticker sheet is full of beautiful phrases and sentiments, whether you're making a card for someone or you're doing some memory keeping yourself. This is gonna really add some touching phrases to your scrapbooking or card making. So until we meet again, love, listen to the wind and know I am near. Really beautiful sayings with skies and roses and crosses. So super touching line. Then I'm gonna show you a couple pieces of paper from the line. This beautiful rainbow sky one with a bright sky, kind of perfect to remember your loved one who has passed away. This nice cross one, remembering to have faith in hard times, really beautiful. And I also want to point out this one too, just because it's really bright and lovely and you can cut it up and use it in different ways. But we have this stained glass page. Really beautiful if you're scrapbooking about a church service, a memorial service, the funeral, what have you. This is a beautiful piece of paper to be able to remember that special moment. And then here we have a layout that was created so you guys can get another idea and get inspired on how you can use Reminisce's new line In Loving Memory. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!